The replacement bulb for the gear shifter, and it's Sylvania 2721. It exactly has the same size as the one that is original there. So first we're gonna take this off, this trim. It's easily removed by doing this. Yep. And then second one is open the compartment, and you can see down there are two screws. They are Phillips head, so you just loosen them. So, yep, just pry that out. It should pull out. If you have this pulled out, just pull the tab down here and remove the connector. And it would be easier for us to see it's loose now. Yep. Second thing is remove this switch here for the windows. So just press this one. You have to actually press the red tab in here. I didn't see the red tab. Yep. Press the red tab up, and you should be able to. I got it out. So actually I'm going to put the switch on my black replacement trim. Yeah, I replaced it because I don't like this stain over here. Kind of an OCD on these imperfections. So I'm gonna clean the switch and then transfer it over. Once it's out, it's like it's kind of loose, but there's no space yet actually to take out the bulb in here. So we're going to try. We're not going to touch this. We're not going to touch this. We're just going to release the parking brake. I mean, actually put this parking brake up, and then we'll try see if we have space in here to move it up. I think we do. Look at me. So there's still actually a screw in here and a screw in here. I forgot. So we need to take that out already, and then we open up the boot in here to expose this one screw. That's off. We'll see. Okay, we'll have more space now. So we don't need to actually take the whole console off. We just need some space to pull the wire down here, the bulb connector. Yeah, the bulb connector is over here. Yep. So we could do it from here, or we could take this off and then put the bulb on top, or we could take the connector off and put the bulb once the connector is out. So I'm gonna try. I got it out. Yep. There you go. So yep. So there's the bulb. Then you could pull it out. Yep. Pull it out. Then we'll insert the new bulb, and we're gonna insert it. Bulb inserted, and we're gonna put it back. So there's a hole in here. I'm blindly putting it in. Honestly, 5 minutes of struggle to put it back blindly is pretty bad. Yeah, it's not easy to put it back again, but I managed to put it back. So somehow it's easier to probably just take off this trim and put the bulb there instead of removing the receptacle. But yep, I'm ready to put it back again, and we should be okay driving at night, able to see what gear you are in without turning on the map lights. Yep. I'm done with the silver trim, gone with black, all black. Yeah, I think the reason is because of this car stereo where I have black trim. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't jibe with the silver trim actually. So yep, we'll try on later tonight, see how it goes. See if I have lights in there. I got the lights working. Got the 1, 2. Looking good. Yep.